Hello friends and dear TV followers, you are watching TV program Let's Speak English from your favorite TV channel Bahoriston. Let's start. Dear TV followers, today we are going to have specific topic because we have got specific occasion. It's the beginning of the study year. Today we are going to talk with you about schools and the items in the school. But first, let my students introduce themselves. Okay, number one. Take mic, please. Good. Okay, introduce yourself.
Hello guys, my name is Oisha. I'm 10 years old.
Good. Yes. Okay, next one, please.
Hello friends, I'm Samir. I'm 10. I'm study in school number 54.
Okay, what's your name? Introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Sumaya. I am 8 years old.
Good. Next one, please. Introduce yourself.
Hello, my friend. My name is Muhammad. My surname Yoribek. I am 9 years old.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Dear TV followers, today we are going to have this vocabulary about school and school items. So let's start. For today's lesson we have got 10 words which we need to memorize, and the number one word for today's lesson is classroom.
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 Yeah.
Classroom.
Classroom is the place where we study. We talk with our classmates and we have a good time. So, classroom.
Classroom.
Good. After classroom, we have got teacher.
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 The teacher.
For example, I am a teacher. I teach you English language. Teacher's job is very difficult and teacher gives a lot of homework. So, teacher.
Teacher.
Good. Okay. After teacher, we have book.
Book.
A book.
A book.
Book.
A book is the thing which has got different kind of information. Very interesting. When you get bored and you don't know what to do, you can open the book and read it. So, a book.
A book.
Good. After a book, we have got with you computer.
Computer.
A computer.
A computer.
The computer.
Computer, it's the thing which helps teacher to do their job, and it makes their job very easy. Okay, computer.
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 Good. After computer, we have got with you a clock.
A clock.
A clock.
A clock.
Good.
The clock.
A clock indicates what time is it, and it shows us when we finish our lesson and when we start. So, a clock.
A clock.
Good. Okay. After clock, we have got with you a desk.
A desk.
A desk.
A desk.
The desk.
Desk is the thing which we sit at it and we do our homework or different kind of task, or we just sit and work. Okay, a desk.
A desk.
Good. Okay, after that we have got pencil case.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Good.
The pencil case.
Pencil case, it's the studying item which help us to keep our pencils. If we have got a lot of 10, 20, 50, 100 pencils, we can put all of them in our pencil case and keep them. Okay, pencil case.
Pencil case.
Good. After pencil case, we have pencil.
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 Pencil, it's the thing which help us to write. And sometimes at the top of it, it has an eraser to clean it. Okay, pencil.
Pencil.
Good. After pencil, we have got alphabet.
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 Alphabet, it's the most important thing in the language because when we want to speak, when we want to write, we write words. But words consist of letters. So, alphabet.
Alphabet.
Good. And last word for today, it is ruler.
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 Ruler, it is the studying item which we need to measure and put the straight line in our notebooks or paper. So, ruler.
Ruler.
Good job. My dear little TV followers, today we studied with you 10 new words. Now, my students and you try to memorize them and repeat with us. Okay? Guys, one by one we will repeat all of them. Let's start. Classroom.
Classroom.
Book.
Book.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Computer.
Computer.
Clock.
Clock.
Well done. Desk.
Desk.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Alphabet.
Alphabet.
And ruler.
Ruler.
Good job. So, dear TV followers, now we repeated all words which we studied today with you. And it means it's time to sing a song. Let's sing a song.
My school. Going to school. Today's song is My School. Sing about all the great things that you love about school.
Every week I go to school. It's such fun and really cool. Meet my classmates, laugh and play. Learn a lot with each new day. Every week I go to school. It's such fun and really cool. Meet my classmates, laugh and play. Learn a lot with each new day. First I learn the alphabet. Starts with A and ends in Z. A, B, C, D. Then read good stories all the time. Best of all are those that rhyme. Maths and science, language, art. All these skills will make me smart. It's such fun and really cool. Every week I go to school. It's such fun and really cool. Meet my classmates, laugh and play. Learn a lot with each new day. Every week I go to school. It's such fun and really cool. Meet my classmates, laugh and play. Learn a lot with each new day. At school we sing joyful songs, keeping time with drums and gongs. Our teachers always kind to us, helping us without a fuss. Schoolwork, homework, music, sport. We try hard at what we're taught. It's such fun and really cool. Every week I go to school. It's such fun and really cool. Meet my classmates, laugh and play. Learn a lot with each new day. Every week I go to school. It's such fun and really cool. Meet my classmates, laugh and play. Learn a lot with each new day. It's such fun and really cool.
Dear TV followers, it was song for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you sang with it. Before we finish our lesson, I've got one question to my students. Let them to answer to them. Okay. Number one, Oisha, what's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Okay, good. Next one, Samir, what's your favorite book? Tell to our...
My favorite
Friends.
book is Venom.
My favorite book is Venom. Okay, interesting book. Sumaya, what's your favorite book?
My favorite book is British book.
Done. Next one, Muhammad, what's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Golden Fish.
It's Golden Fish. Good job, very good books. Dear TV followers, unfortunately our time ran out and we have to say to you goodbye. Goodbye, guys!
Baby Joy Joy. Yeah.
Okay, honey. Did you get your lunch?
Yes, Mom.
Did you brush your teeth?
Mom, the bus is here.
Okay, have a great day. Mommy loves you.
Mom. Can we go back now to the summer? I'm not ready to go back, what a bummer. But my mom said my friends will all be there. We're going back to school again. I'm going back to school again. Where I get to see all my friends and then we'll hang out and math and gym, playing while we're all studying. I'm not ready to go back to math now. Adding seems hard, it's a pain, but my friends help me learn how to do it. Friends plus math equals great. I'm going back to school again, where I get to see all my friends and then we'll hang out and math and gym, playing while we're all studying. Thinking back to last year, we had such a good time, reading with my friends, pretending we could fly. But this year's gonna be even better. Oh yeah. I'm going back to school again, where I get to see all my friends and then we'll hang out and math and gym, playing while we're all studying.
Dance.
I'm ready to be back in school now. Science or gym, bring it on. I'm never gonna let class get me down, down, down. I'm going back to school again, where I get to see all my friends and then we'll hang out and math and gym, playing while we're all studying. Hee hee.
Now you can find your favorite Baby Joy Joy songs on Spotify and iTunes.